daw isang
Go
kilo.
Froylander! Sana manalo si Froylander. Yan, kailangan niya yan.
Cheer mo sarili mo, Froy. Dali.
Froylander, cheer mo yung sarili mo. Dali, mamang seryoso.
Oo, mag-ano ka na palakpak ka dyan.
Present na nga eh.
Nag-present na kami siya agad doon.
Go!
Tuloy mo, hindi ako makakain sa'yo.
Ayan ang Froylander!
Roland! Dali! Roland! Present!
Froylander! Anak, as ko manalangin, di ba? Froylander, dali! Present na! Ay, disqualified na yan.
Present na nga siya.
Disqualified! Disqualified! Disqualified!
Froylander! Anak,
Ang lakas manalangin ni Froyland.
yes!
Diba nga? Cheer niya sarili niya, kaya yan nanalo.
Pre lang daw ba? Papasosyal pa? Pre lang ha?
Ay, di pwede,
Okay,
pre.
congratulations!
Kailangan
Ayan, message ko po kayo. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Horados, thank you, maraming salamat
Thank
po.
you so
And
much.
of course, sa ating mga contestant na sumali, nag-effort, lahat po, nandyan sa baba, sa ating moderator, Iska, thank you. Si admin, Joanne, sa lahat-lahat po, magpasalamat na lang po sa inyong lahat. Hindi ko na po kayo isa-isahin ang pagsuporta nyo kay
Bye-bye
Janet
po.
25. And message ko po kayo lahat ng mga
Until season
Horados
4 po,
and
season 4
contestant.
tayo, starting January po. January ba? February?
January wala po kasi birthday ko po yan. Mga February. Birthday to me! Ayan, mega love shout out dun sa lahat.
Thank you po
Yan.
sa lahat na nag-support.
Ibaba nyo na yung mga Gcash nyo doon, Horados, ha? Basta. Hanggang Lunes, wait nyo ako. Hanggang Lunes. Kaya pang umaga po ako bukas. Baka hindi pa ako mabot bukas sa Sunday. Monday na po tayo lahat pag wala, ha? Okay, then God bless you all and thank you very much po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po. Ayan, okay. Next, sandali lang. Thank you very much. Bilis nyo wala na kayo Thank you.
White season 3, we rise. This is singing Tataka, where voices ignite the skies and guiding the night with fire in her stride. It's Janet, your host from Janet 25 Black, ready for the ride. Before we kick this off, let's honor our Horados, our pillars, our pros. Present or afar, their wisdom still flows.
Who's judging the show? Who's bringing the flair? Came my Ellen, a queen with a presence so rare.
Maestro Lee, the melody king. Doris Corner, where the spotlight sings. Ria's finesse with style and grace. Put on Corrado Roby.
The ace in this place. Yeah, Kay Holland, royal vibes, queen of the stage. Inside like ink on a golden page. Maestro Lee, orchestrating the flow, crafting the notes, making talent glow. Doris Corner, sharp ear, sharp mind. Spotting the magic every time, Rhea, so refined. Elegance in the air with a discerning vibe. And effortless flair, Roby the Taurus, Punong Hurado in command. A guiding voice of wisdom fair with every stand. And yo, let's not forget the voice of the room.
Janet.
Steady on the mic like a rising moon. Keeping the night bright, lifting the view. Making season 3 legendary for you.
Contestants stand tall, dreams in motion, giving their all. No matter who's here, the spirit stays true. This is singing Tatakao, and the stage is for you.
Hala. Ayan, maraming salamat. Hindi na po nag-play. Hindi na po nag-play yung yung ating. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And of course, sa lahat po na nandyan, maraming salamat. Ba't kaya hindi na nag-play to? Let's try again later. Okay.
Welcome to Lab Gang's family members of Janet 25 Vlog.
This is Janet sa Music at Luto. Panalo ka!
Please subscribe and click the bottom bell to my admin Joan Mac, the Ang members Angelo Zeki, Arch Halbuyung Hanseo, Man and NJ, Daryl Rabo, Metal Joy Vlog, Joyden 200 Marga Vlog, Nori OFW, Rosie Ross Bongski Bomb Mix Vlog, Gene Mix Vlog 23, Maynamad Ira, Noli Boy Family, Simply My Labs, Editor Rami, Orlins and One, Bing of San Jose, Jean CTV, Mr. Sue, Froyland, Mysterious Way, Rayhan Percoso, Mysterious Hero 06 Way, Maycara Maylu Magda. Thanks you for your love and support from host Janet 25 Vlog. God bless us all.
Yo, lights up, cameras wide. Season 3, we rise. This is singing tat tat. Say you to Pasko na naman, damhin ang saya. Sa bawat ngiti, may pag-asa. Sa YouTube man o sa tunay na buhay, Lagan's family, iisang kulay. Tulong-tulong, walang iwanan. Kahit saan may kabutihan, pagmamahalan, ating sandigan. Sa Pasko, puso'y nag-aalab yan. Pasko sa Lagan's family, masaya, puno ng pag-ibig lagi. Kapwa'y kasama sa bawat sandali, biyaya ng Diyos ating nandamhin. Pasko sa Lagan's family, kantahan, tawanan, pag-vibes lagi sa pagkakakisa. Tunay na ginto, maligayang Pasko sa ating lahat ito. May kainan, tawanan at harutan. Sa live stream, tuloy ang kantahan. May handog na awit at kwento ng buhay. Puno ng saya, walang kapantay. Lahat ay welcome, bigayan ng saya. Puso'y busog sa pagmamahalan nila. Sa bawat vlog at bawat kwento, Paskong tunay, ramdam sa puso ko. Pasko sa Lagan's family, masaya, puno ng pag-ibig lagi. Kapwa'y kasama sa bawat sandali, biyaya ng Diyos ating nanggamhin. Pasko sa Lagan's family, kantahan, tawanan, good vibes lagi. Sa pagkakaisa, tunay na ginto, maligayang Pasko sa ating lahat ito. Sama-sama tayong magpasalamat sa Diyos na laging gumagabay sa lahat. Pagmamahal ng ating alay, kapayapaan ang ating tunay. Sa Pasko sa Lagan's family, puso'y nagliliwanag sa gabi. Pag-ibig ni Kristo ating dalhin hanggang sa bagong taon muli. Pasko sa Lagan's family, good vibes, tawanan at pagkakaisa. Mula sa puso, sabay nating awitin, maligayang Pasko, Lagan's family. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Welcome sa channel na masarap at masaya.
Welcome to Janet
This is
25
Janet
Vlog. Please click
sa
the bottom
music at
bell.
luto.
Janet 25 Vlog content is singing Tatakao contest. Cover song exploring Japan video. Live streaming Kate Kaikahan Morning. Please connect to your family.
Walang katulad ay grabe rin.
As Caleb her team X Vlog. Mason Vlog. Them Style 30 Gem. Nori May TPA. Philips Bros. Marin made a lot of vlog. Tanyo Amoto Vlog. PHKLED. Lady Wang Team Hiki. Charlene. Rick's Channel. Mary Yako. Mommy Lab Makes Vlog. Isabat. Barkata S. Nick Nimen. It's a 10th in our week. More power to our YouTube channel. Lab Games family.
Welcome to singing Tatakao, brought to you with love by Janet 25 Black Pascona. Let's celebrate together. The Christmas lights are glowing and the night feels warm and new. Voices rise in harmony and dreams are shining through. To all our sponsors watching, salamat from our hearts. You make the season brighter, you help our singers start. Hey, it's Christmas here at Singing Tatakao. Janet 25 is saying thanks to you for every prize you've given, every hope you've lit tonight. You make the stage feel warmer, you make the season bright. Your kindness lights the way, you help their voices fly. This Christmas feels more special because you chose to try. Hey, it's Christmas here at Singing Tatakao. And from our family to yours, we're grateful for you. Thank you, dear sponsors, for the love you always show. From Janet 25, look, Merry Christmas. Let your blessings grow. Sponsor. Thank you, sponsor. Thank you, sponsors. And Merry Christmas from Singing Tatakao.
Ayan, maraming salamat po. Arigato gozaimasu sa lahat po ng mga suporta dyan sa baba. Maraming salamat at sa lahat po ng nanalo at saka po sa lahat ng effort na sumali sa Singing Tatakao Season 3. And see you next year. Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year to each and every one. And see you Season 4. Bye-bye! Thank you!
1, 2, 3, 4.